Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is originally I was gonna put it in like the inside right here, but all that's doing is flexing it so it sticks out. What I need to do is get it like right into this corner right before it rounds, but not too much to the side so that way it doesn't show the screw. So I'm gonna attempt this. I'm not 100% positive this is how you do it, but I'm going to. I did this on my Golf R. And you can see where I'm going, but I'm going into the car. So let me line this up. And I don't know what this material in the car is made of, but it is tough. So this is actually pretty frustrating because of the fact that this is, I believe, just metal under here or something. I don't know what it is, but it's the most frustrating material to drill into. So I've made quite a few holes that have gone nowhere. Basically what I'm finding is you really have to get it right on the ridge here. I don't know if there's an easier way. I'm sure I could have found another video to watch, but so you get the tip of the double-sided screw, you start drilling, goes through, and then you put, so there, now it's on. So a lot of times it slips and goes in and it doesn't go into anything, then you have another hole in here. But so that one actually worked out really well.